Superior performance. Cuisinart's 5-to-1 Griddler is a contact grill, panini press, full griddle and half grill/half griddle. Easy to use. The Griddler plates, 11" x 9" are removable, reversible and are dishwasher-safe nonstick cooking plates. The plates also act as a drain for the grease for cooking more healthy. The integrated drip tray collects grease and is easy to store. Also included, red/green indicator lights for easy operation, dishwasher-safe scraping tool for easy cleanup and an instruction manual with gourmet recipes for you to enjoy. Custom control, sturdy panini-style handle with hinged floating cover adjusts to thickness of food, selector knob choose grill or griddle function and the adjustable temperature controls for grill or griddle. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. With 5 separate cooking options, the Cuisinart Griddler can handle everything from pancakes and sausages to grilled cheese to steaks, hamburgers, and panini. A floating cover and 1 set of reversible plates turn the Griddler into a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, or half grill/half griddle. Dual temperature controls ensure everything is perfectly cooked every time on the removable dishwasher-safe nonstick cooking plates for easy meals and cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Learning to love the kitchen and cooking with this awesome gadget. Admittedly, after reading many of the reviews, I was quite hesitant. However, I used Amazon rewards earned from doing surveys, so I didn't feel like paying only $7 out of pocket for a $45.95 item would seem so bad if this thing failed. At the last minute, based on comments about the warranty, I did look at the ICH brand offered, but had never heard of, despite what sounded like a far better warranty. Anyway, I have had it a couple of weeks, and it has actually helped me to sort of like the kitchen and cooking. Most of my friends/family know I hate the kitchen and cooking. I did tell a friend, who is a professional cook, and he agreed good name brand. He also agreed, despite non-stick cooking surface, to use cooking spray, which I have done except for grilled cheese, bagels, or other sandwiches, bagels, etc. to griddle for which I butter the bread that goes on the cooking plate versus cooking spray. As well, it had helped to have previewed the video and learned some of the item's quirks to be aware of upon arrival. E.G. Green light shows up to temperature, but temp will drop when food placed, but does come back up to temp, sometimes more quickly than other times, seeming to depend on how thick the food is and if in closed cooking position. My electric range for baking does about the same thing for a few seconds when I open the door and place food to bake.